Hi friends, this is Sumulata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to make a rasam recipe. Rasam is a South Indian traditional soup like a dish made with the tamarind, tomatoes, warming spices and aromatic herbs. Firstly, I have taken some ingredients for the masala like a pepper, cumin seeds, coriander seeds and ginger and jeera I have added here. Put all the ingredients into a mixie jar. Now grind it like a coarse texture. Masala powder is ready now. Now add one big chopped tomato to a same mixie jar and grind it like a fine paste. Now in a vessel add 2 to 3 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and few chopped garlic I have added here. Saute it well. Now add a 2 to 3 dry red chilies, as it acts as a natural pain relief. Add few curry leaves to it. Now add a half teaspoon of hing or asafoetida and add a 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add tomato paste to it. Add little bit of water. Now allow it to boil for a few minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of rock salt to it. Mix it well. Now add a bowl of tamarind water to it. The sour taste in a classic rasam recipe comes mainly from using tamarind. And according to rasam quantity you can add water. When it starts to boil, add ground masala that we have prepared earlier. At this point, in a medium flame, boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. This is so simple recipe that even beginners can make it. This rasam works better during cold and cough. Now add a 3 to 5 tablespoon of jaggery. I have added a powdered jaggery here. Boil it for a few minutes. Now switch off the stove. Now rasam is ready to have with a plain rice. Try this recipe once and write a comment in a comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit a bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.